Calculate the value of k when two lines given by the equations 5x plus 6y equals 5 and kx minus 3y equals 10 are A parallel and B perpendicular. To solve this problem, we need to understand the conditions for parallel and perpendicular lines in terms of their slopes.
All right, we have two lines.
Find the slope of the first line.
To find the slope of the line represented by the equation 5x plus 6y equals to 5, we rewrite the equation in slope-intercept form. Y equals to mx plus c. So the slope of the first line is
Find the slope of the second line.
So the slope of the second line is parallel lines have the same slope, hence m1 equals to m2.
For two lines to be perpendicular, the product of their slopes must be -1. Therefore, m1 times m2 equals -1. These are the values of k for parallel and perpendicular cases, respectively.